I just completed my humidifying system for my highland Nepenthes tank, and as you can see, the humidifier is pumping lots of mist into the tank. It's very simple to build this. It's a Vicks ultrasonic cool mist humidifier with a shop hose adapter kit, plus buying a hole saw to drill the hole for the tube to connect to. Total cost somewhere around 85 to 90 US dollars. I'm very satisfied with this. I have to admit, I was rather concerned about condensation in the tube, but most of the mist is getting through. So it took about an hour to put it all together, cutting tubes and drilling holes and snapping it together. I'm happy with it.